How to turn off auto volume adjustment on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off auto volume adjustment on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and now click profile, and here in the top corner you will find these three lines, and then click settings and privacy and scroll down. Here you will find this one here, accessibility. Click on it, and here you will find auto volume adjustment. And if you want to turn it off, all you need to do is just click on it, and as you see, auto volume adjustment have been turned off. Now just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.